मेरा बचपन से सपना था कि मुझे कंप्यूटर इंजीनियर बनना है, पर पता नहीं था कि कहाँ से शुरुआत करूँ। लाइट हाउस से मेरे घर पर आए थे, उन्होंने लाइट हाउस के बारे में बताया। मैं मेरा सपना किस तरह से पूरा कर सकता हूँ लाइट हाउस का प्लेटफॉर्म लेके, वो बताया।
Young people of India today need a program that doesn't just focus on technical skills. They need a program that will restore their capacity to dream. The Lighthouse is a sustained livelihood program for urban disadvantaged youth. By nurturing a young person's agency, helping them learn workplace competencies and also technical skills, the Lighthouses prepare young people to not just get a job, but also keep a job and hopefully engage in a career for years to come. There are 4 unique aspects to the program design of the Lighthouse. The first is that it is focused on enabling the agency of young people. The second unique aspect is the public-private partnership. The third unique aspect is the ecosystem approach. This is what enables to deliver the skill course of choice to young people. The fourth aspect is that of the focus on transformation rather than incremental change. To do this, we do a very rigorous Google Earth mapping and track that every slum community would have 25% of households enrolled into the lighthouses.
When we identify the lighthouse location, we map the slum communities, the chawls, the Gauthan areas, and then our outreach coordinator begins the relationship building activity. As youth enroll in the lighthouse, the first step is the foundation course. The foundation course focuses on building agency and workplace competencies for youth so that they connect with their strengths, reflect upon the industriality, understand the different market trends. Along with the foundation course, we offer digital empowerment and conversational English courses. After the foundation course, we conduct one-to-one career counseling.
लाइट हाउस में मैंने रिज्यूमे बिल्डिंग, इंटरव्यू प्रिपरेशन ये सीखा, क्योंकि ये चीज़ें मेरे करियर के लिए, मेरे ड्रीम के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है। और ऐसे बहुत सारी चीज़ें मैंने लाइट हाउस से सीखी।
Today, there are 30 lighthouses across 12 cities and 4 states in the country. We have reached out to 32,000 young people, and out of those, 20,000 youth are either placed or self-employed. What I like the most about Nudge Pragati program is that whatever it is that we need is there for us to have, be it communication, be it monitoring and evaluation, or be it opening the doors for other grant-making organizations to know about us. I think our own trajectory has changed thanks to this partnership.
With the Lighthouse program, we are committed to transform our aspirations into the reality. Together, we will walk the path of sustained livelihood.